My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. As we know, articles play very important role in both our spoken and written English. It is therefore very natural on the part of the students to know about the use of articles in our sentence structures. Okay, then how? Listen, come. Articles are also determiners because they determine the head noun in a noun phrase. A pen, here A is determining pen. That's why a determiner. An interesting story, here an is determining story and which is interesting. That's why a, an, the. Look at the smart board. The smart board, the is here definite article. Let's go and see how. Listen here. Determiners like a and the are called articles. So articles are also known as determiners. Okay, am I clear? Come here we find they are used to determine the head nouns in noun phrases. Definitely noun phrases play very important role in our spoken and written English, and therefore in order to determine the nouns we use articles a and the. Okay, now see, articles are of two classes. Yes, articles can be divided into two classes. Then how? Listen here. One, indefinite article, an. It means the articles which are used to determine the head noun in an indefinite manner is called indefinite article. It means give me a pen. Anyone can give me a pen. It means here indefinite pen. Whoever, he can give me a pen. Yes, in this noun phrase, a is here indefinite article. Okay, and an. This is an interesting story. An interesting story, it means any story which is not definite. Definite article, the. It is definite whenever we make anything definite. Look at the smart board. The smart board. This is the definite board and not any other smart board. We find whenever we indicate anything in a definite manner, at that moment definite article the is used. Okay, now see here our today's discussion is that is use of article a. Article a is used before a singular countable noun. You see, singular countable noun or an adjective qualifying the head noun beginning with a consonant sound. This is very important. Beginning with a consonant sound. Yes, this is the very nature of using the article a. Okay, and here we find a horse. You see here the word horse begins with a h and it produces the sound of ha. A horse. That's why a is used. Similarly, a beautiful black horse. It may be a noun or it may be adjective qualifying the noun beginning with the consonant sound. You see here beautiful, but here horse and indicating the horse head noun, but here beautiful is the adjective. Beautiful black horse. Two adjectives are here, but starting adjective is beautiful and it begins with the consonant sound. That's why a beautiful black horse. Okay, a smart boy. Here head noun boy, but smart is the adjective, and that's why taking the sound smart. Sir, that is what you call the consonant sound. Here a smart boy. Okay, a marvelous sight. Here m takes the a, and therefore here a marvelous sight. Sight is the head noun, but marvelous is the adjective, and that's why a marvelous sound. Okay, now come the other idea in this connection, that article a is also used to before a singular countable noun or an adjective qualifying the noun beginning with a vowel but sounded as a u or wa. Whenever vowel is there, but that vowel sounds consonant, like you, long your sound, and here wa sound. Yes, in this case we also use article a. Then how? Let's see the example here. A university. Here you see u is here. So it is usually a vowel, but sound comes u, and hence this is consonant sound, and therefore consonant sound. And yes, therefore here no doubt it is a vowel, but sound comes consonant, and then we have to use a university, a useful thing, similar manner, a unit, yes, a union, a European country, not an European country, a European country. I've been a UP school, but an upper primary school. Here sound comes vowel, but here sound comes consonant. Here vowel sound, here consonant sound. A UP school, but an upper primary school. A universal, similar way, universal truth, a unique opportunity, an unanimous vote, a united effort. In all these cases, u is there, but u or e, but they sound as a consonant, and that's why we have to use article a. Okay, next another. A 1 rupee note. Here head noun is a note, and a 1 rupee note. Here sound comes wa, and therefore here we use a, not 1. Okay, an orange, but here a 1 rupee note, a 1-day cricket match, similarly a 1-day cricket match, a one-way traffic, a one-eyed person, in a similar manner. Here the noun phrase begins with the o, but sounds as a wa consonant, and hence a is used. Okay, now come article an. An is used before a singular countable noun or an adjective qualifying the head noun beginning with the vowel sound. Yes, this is very interesting factor, beginning with not only a vowel but a vowel sound. Sound is a very important factor here to decide whether we have to use a or an. Let's see how. You see, an aeroplane, here the beginning letter is a vowel, and sound also comes vowel. Therefore, it is clear an aeroplane. And an engineer, here the vowel is there, a, e, I, o, u, as we know, and e is the vowel, and here therefore an engineer. Vowel is there, the sound is also coming vowel, and hence an engineer. An important question, you see here, important question. And an orphan boy, here we find o is here, sound also comes vowel, and an umbrella, you see here u is there, sound also comes vowel. Here umbrella, and hence these are the matter. Similarly, Indian doctor, an ugly woman, an IS officer. Okay, IS officer. In this case, an is used. Okay, now come the second example. An is used before an abbreviation. You see, before an abbreviation or silent H which begins with a vowel sound. This is very important, no doubt. And yes, how? On LP school here we find on LP school L is no doubt to consonant, but sound comes L. L school, it means, but here a lower primary school, lower la, here sound comes consonant, but here sound comes vowel, and therefore vowel sound comes on LP school, but a lower primary school. Okay, and similarly on MP, and yes, here we find on MP, on MA student, MLA, MD, NCC officer, on FIR, SDO, on X-ray machine, on SP. You see here we find the matter in all these cases consonant letters are there, no doubt, at the beginning of all the words, but they sound as vowels, and therefore here we use article on. Okay, next come on hourly bus service. You see another hourly. H is here, but H is remaining silent. Sound comes vowel, and that's why on hourly bus service. Yes, this is the phrase, noun phrase. An honest person, here H remains silent, sound comes O, that's why an. And here honorable degree, here is the same, H remains silent and sound comes vowel, that's why an. AR, I mean the person who is eligible to get the property of his parents. Okay, and here we find AR, not hair. H remains silent. On AR, on ARS, similarly on ARS, on hour, on honorary post, on honor. You see here in all these cases we use article on because the most important factor is there whenever any noun phrase begins with the vowel sound. This is very important. There may be consonant, there may be vowel, but sound must be a vowel. And yes, these are the matters in connection with the use of indefinite article a or an. Okay, my dear students, hope you must have enjoyed this class. Just read the video again and again, try to know, and if any doubt anywhere, then you can ask me questions in a feedback section. And side by side, it is your duty to enjoy it and to share your friends and relatives, those who are taking interest in English, and try to understand the matter, which is very essential for your writing and speaking. Thanking you for being with me. I conclude this class wishing you a happy and healthy day ahead. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.